Okay, this is how to configure the watch, smartwatch. The model is HB12 and HB12WD. First is to obtain the file from the vendor. So usually they will send a exact file. In this case, already here, I open it. After opening, we send this file. The file have the IMEI of the watch, and then the SIM card number, and then the phone number. Second is to save this file to the project. In this case, as the client is a smartphone, so I will save it to the smartphone folder. And the client is in Lanon, smartphone Lanon. Lanon, here. We SIM, save it to the SIM. And I will name it Ada, because Ada is the name of the vendor's sales. Ada LPI. Save. Okay, so after saving this, check again about the SIM card details and smartphone. See if they send us the details already. Go to Lanon again. SIM. Okay, so it looks like client already sent up this thing. Let's check. Okay, so this is from the client. Now what we have to do is to populate this with the information from this part. So you need to rearrange this. So the best is to after this. And finally, without in this one, just the IMEI that we need to calculate. Phone number. So we need to calculate this one. So what we have now from the IMEI, contact number, and the SIM number. Okay, we have the three data. The rest you can just calculate according to the client information given to us. Okay, this is the instruction to configure the HB12 and HB12WD. First is the client will send us the SIM card, and the SIM card has a SIM card number and a phone number. Okay. In this file, I will send over to the vendor, where the vendor will add the IMEI of the watch, and then the simple version. So what's the version here? Okay. So after this, the vendor will send this file where I will name it from Ada, which will Ada is the name of the sales lady and the vendor, just to signify that this file is from her. And then we save it to the folder. Folder is located in the client is smartphone, and the smartphone client is for Yanan, okay? And we save it under the SIM. Okay, so this is from Ada, already saved. And then we open the file. Remember, this file is both with this file. We import this into the app, and after when you open this is what the design of this spreadsheet. Now, do not change this column. Do not change the arrangement here in worker information, because this is designed already to input into the apps. Our apps is perfect. And I'll show you that. With our app, and on the what user, we have this. But before that, let me log out first. Okay. The first is to log in. This is the details to log into the app. It's 400-cmp.admin.club.app and log in. So after you put in our credential, you can log in. After you log in, you can go to the app. This way, I already created a customer for this. So if not, then you can just add new customer. Okay, then you can put the name, address, and this one you can just click the plan and this one. Okay. And if there is any label, you can click to add the label here. Otherwise, you can just save it. Okay. In this case, LAN is already created. S1P LAN. So LAN, yeah, first already created. Okay, so you don't need to create. And then the next is to create a project. So LAN, that one. In this case, I already created a project, public city one. If not, then you can just click after you select LAN customer, and then you can click add new project. That's what happens here. You can add project ID and project name. After you do that, in this case, you already have, you can go to admin. Then in the admin, you can ask the client what we prefer to in admin. In this case, this file is from the client. We already have the admin data to the name. I only included two. This one and the 8 and 10. So there are more to add. To add more, go to the app, click add new admin, and put in the full name, email address, and then the customer name and the user type, whether it's client admin or admin. Guests can only view, but cannot edit. Client admin, they can edit. After that, you can save. After we save, it will populate. So after that, you go to users. Here, we already have two, but you can use this add multi-user. Click the project name and click to upload. Now what we will upload is actually the file that I showed you earlier. The line it's one SIM. this one. This is what we will add. So if you click open, oh, it's okay, it is open. So I have close this file first before we can configure. This one, you see, we only have two because that is what I input earlier. So that means we have to add more. So I will close this one first and go back to this file. And that file is located here. Open again. Okay, so now we will populate this with IMEI from the watch, the SIM number, and the contact number. So that is a field that we will populate. You see that? So from this file, we can copy this. Okay, that is here, that's the IMEI, right? And here, it's there, reverse, and then yeah, I think we are only interested from this one 32 as a distance. Okay, and down to four. Right. Okay, so now you have 52. That's here number one, right? So you have 52. Actually, we did take the end because I added 2 earlier. Okay, let's continue. Then the next is the added 5 and 10 numbers. Okay. And then this is 48 soon coming. Right? Right? And then the next one is the one effort is contributing that. The then the number into the now, next is the phone number, which the phone number. After that, and it's the contact number, right? And then the address, and then the police, and everything. There you go. There you got everything. Right? The rest you can just add to without it like that. Alright, so it adds like that. Yeah, the client will add it later and then right now we don't know what name we assign to the record. So we just number them to run to do something. Okay. Fine. And on the date, we right now just invent any dates because we don't know we can't do not other dates that we I mean the date. Okay. So tentatively to the group, we don't know where to belong. And we just apply for the maybe it's B, C, with B, and then have it all around. Last time it was B. Okay. And apply in tentative. 3.8 factor is expected. And because I can tentative. So the delivery lab is second. We just have it. We take it out. And, so you have populated everything. So you save already. After you save, you close it so that you can import it into the uh, users. Okay. The earlier we added submitted user, select the project one, click upload, which is this one, remember? There you go. For all the new users you added, you click on them. Hit save. Now the app will populate automatically. It's will say we find of inputting one by one. Okay. So this is like an automated way to manage. Next in line is to turn on the watch now. Turn on the watch. After all the watches are on, we will do the rope SMS configuration. That means we will assign this IP to the watch, okay, automatically. So plan on we select, we cannot put everything. So what we have to do is to select every 20 pieces, something like that. So K1 to already there. And we can select to still 10 to 20. And then next is 21 to 20. But I have an idea to do it much better. More better. We can change the file. Look in the file again. In the file. Then I will assign every 10. It's different. Here, it's 2. And happy. It is just to make it in a simple. 3.3. Okay, and then this could be okay. Now we have A root, B root, C root, D root. Okay. The client can change the group number later. But the reason why I do this is that so that we can do a batch by batch the next different what we can do is to input it again on the user, add the user, add the rate, and this one again, what will we input so we can capture the new group. Right? After that stage, now you see it think the group number. You know, the, okay, so everything is here. All right, so after we did that, we need to turn on the watch so we can change the IP of it. So now we can choose which particular group, which is the group, right? For instance, B. And L would be the populated phase. If it's L will be, and the P will be the like 10 to 20 is too much. So I 20 need to arrange that. I think only 10 maybe 10 to 15 minutes. I think again. And the will be up to come and the will be up to 20, so let's do be up to 15, and maybe like 5 in the street. 15, and then 15, maybe then 30, maybe 50, to about 35, and 3. After 8, not good. Then input was reflex. Add the detail, not good. After that, let's do the work thickness. So after we put the this way, we just work on input, so it's in this part, and we have to come on the water. And we selected group B, and it's automatically calculated here. So what we do is simply algae attach. So that means this one, and then the fourth. Okay. After the rapid time, then you can get stuck to that. At this time, we'll be waiting for the time. Okay, so now you're here. We begin with work group. So we start with group B. Okay, start with group B. I already done. Okay, it is three. Yeah, the two already done. But you see, if you click A, it comes to different. It is already completed. I don't need to redo it. Okay, so what I do is I go to the group B and complete IP. You wait and it will populate the group B. Mhm. Mhm. But the group B is populated. What we do is set to what? Okay, once you click this one, it will populate it. And then you will sending. If the what is not on, this will not done. If done, kind of done. That means already successfully uh, change the IP address. This is the IP address and the port. Mm. Well, then, and sometimes the what difficulty updating this because sometimes the signal may be or the what is private. So wait until 100% of change it. So standing on the right. what you do is you get this number and then try to call it to the internet. Make it fast. Then no, this one, 46405. Line 6405. Maybe check if it is on and off, and then just turn on again. Okay. So we had a computer everything, and so only one had the problem. This one, we're going to do. So take note of that. Next is to do the setting. Button page. Then, if you notice, all are online. You see, water three, no offline or no online because you just have to register the IP. And, yeah, if it is turned off and registered with IP, it will show offline. But this line is not even show offline or online. Something wrong with it. You find out the code. After that, let's say letter 16. You can set the SOS number. How to do that is to look at the file from the client. One, look at SOS number. Okay. So we will use this SOS number. We will copy it and integrate it. Okay. So save to all. Save to all users. If you click this, it will save to all the one. If you don't, it will only save to this one. And in this case, I'll save it to everybody. Wait until this become green. If it goes green, okay, it's green, that means it's fine. And next is working mode. Working mode is we can first use the GPS every 1 minute and then apply to all. So, and it's a look. Okay, green, that means, okay. The rest is the pull down and the look. And then put the L, put it in. Sensitivity from low sensitivity, apply to L. And then heart rate, you can say 20 minutes. After all, or if you talk to the heart rate every 20 minutes. Continue the blood temperature. Again, when you submit it, it will look for the PDF. Okay. Next step is to check in the map if everybody already registered in the PDF. I'll be doing it both time and it's in the right time. Excellent. All the different concept. I thought doing it to make place of it. And that was it. And why not it? Once we start GPS, it will go places. This is too Wi-Fi, then it up, Wi-Fi. That's why it's very fast. Wi-Fi only, it's very, very fast. That's why it start the GPS, it will go places. You can after a few minutes before the surgery, go to the one to Wi-Fi. And and okay. It will have to be just later. But for you can know this time I did not pick out and just like that to activate the certificate green and then real time rotation, let's time it. Let's go back to the map. Then, oh, there we go. But it's about five. And let's wait until we get to the time. The 32 things like it was in the depicted corridor, it will like okay. Yeah. So gradually everybody is going to be good. Okay, this was the first test, the GTS test.